Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Honda Pilot Elite with all-wheel drive. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Okay. And if any of these LEDs appear to be flickering, that is the refresh rate of the camera that's bringing you that disco party. They don't flicker to the human eye. But you see that it does have fog lights up front, alloy wheels, and you do have these rubber cargo covers, and they will cover everything even when you put these seats down. There's a sneak peek of the interior, and see they got an entertainment package and dual panoramic sunroofs, a power lift gate, see that you have second row captain's chairs, all in leather. Right here you'll see that these two captain's chairs are heated, and you also have a 115 volt outlet there, along with an HDMI port, two USB ports. You do have retractable window shades, two driver P sets. Here's the VIN right here, and I will upload still photos of these as well, as I know I'm going through them fairly quickly. Okay, as you look down here, you'll see it has 27,782 miles on this vehicle. And you do have paddle shifters, and then you have your push to talk, your stereo controls, your cruise controls, all on the steering wheel. And then there's your push button start. Go ahead and listen to the stereo.
Anyway, so he goes into this, but
so Sean Hannity sounds good. And then navigation, it is powered by Garmin. I love this navigation. See that it has a large screen here, and once again, this does not flicker at all to the human eye. And then we'll bounce over to the phone. You do have Bluetooth, so you have AM, FM, and Bluetooth, Sirius XM, USB, My Honda, Apple Carplay, auxiliary input, AM, Android Auto, and rear entertainment. Can all be controlled from this interface right here. And this is your AT&T hotspot right here. My Honda music right there. Here is cabin talk, so that you can communicate with everyone in the vehicle, even if they have headphones on, so long as that is tied into your system. Okay, and then the backup camera. There's your backup camera in HD, and then you also have these guides right here. Okay, and as you come down, you have your comfort control right here, and then you have both cooled or heated front seats, and then you got Blu-ray right here, and then right here you got your additional 12 volt power outlet, and then a USB there as well, wireless charging port, your shifter, cup holders, and then you have your remote, and that does have a remote start. And there's an additional USB and another 12 volt power outlet down in there. And then up above you have your map reading lights. Your sunglasses holder also doubles as a conversation mirror, so you can see the folks in back. And then you've got your panoramic sunroof, number 1 and number 2, and then your drop down LCD screen for your entertainment package. All right, and that wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact in the front passenger quarter panel. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. And it has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.